The Hyatt Ziva Cancun is a 547-room resort located in the hotel zone of Cancun. Its neighbors are the Crystal Grand and the Grand Fiesta Americana Coral Beach. It's about a 30-minute drive from the airport. It will cost you an average of $533 a night for the lowest room category, with plenty of upgrade options available. The turquoise is the adults-only section of the resort, and rooms average around $920 a night there. Digging through hundreds of reviews, guests thought the service of the staff and the beach were the two best things. Guests did not enjoy the strict cabana cancellation policy or the mad scramble to find chairs at the pool in the morning. The top tip from previous guests for enjoying your stay is to book a cabana on the beach. Looking at the reviews, the Hyatt Ziva gets a 4.6 on TripAdvisor, a 4.5 on Google, a 3.9 on Yelp, a 9.4 on Expedia, and a 9.2 on Booking.com. When I convert all these to a 10-point scale, it earns a palm leaf score of 8.92. That currently ranks number 1 out of 1. You can find the resort comparison spreadsheet in the description below. Subscribe to get notified, as I will be adding many more resorts in the days to come.